This is the only 7-step video ad script you'll ever need to grow your business. Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. My name is Ivan, and on this one, I'm gonna break down the 7 steps you need in order to explode your business with leads. Everyone's like, how do I scale my agency, or how do I scale my local business, or how do I scale my service-based business or my coaching business? And it has to be at some point, guys. It has to be through some sort of paid advertising, okay? And what converts better than anything else? Videos like this, okay? So I'm gonna give you the golden framework that can potentially make you millions of dollars. And how do I know this? Because I've already done that for myself, for my clients, and that framework right there, ladies and gentlemen, has made us millions. Now listen up. The first thing you got to do is you have to have a call out, meaning when you're doing an ad like this and you're talking to the camera, you have to know who you're talking to. So if you're talking to, for example, my industry was solar professionals, I'm gonna call them out. Hey, solar pros. And then not only that, but if I'm looking for a specific caliber of client, okay, I'm looking for people that are closing 5 to 10 deals per month. So I'm gonna say, hey, if you're a solar pro and you're doing 5 to 10 deals a month, this is for you. And that will be my call out. That literally be my call out. Okay, so you can obviously swap the words and do it for your industry, but that's exactly how you call people out. Because imagine that you are in a crowd of people and somebody's calling you. How would you know that someone's calling you if they're not calling your name? If they're not calling your name, you're not going to turn around, right? So it's the same thing with an ad. Your ad is being shown to a lot of people. And how does your perfect ideal avatar, your client, how do they know that you're talking to them? You have to call them out. Now the second thing will be a hook. Once you've called them out, you have to know how to hook them in. For example, you could say, hey, if you're wanting to never run out of leads to call, I have something for you. And that literally can be the hook. Or are you tired of working with marketing agencies that promise but never produce? For example, right? And that will be my hook. Your hook is literally, again, could be 1 to 2 sentences long. Not any longer than that. It has to happen very, very quick because people's attention span is extremely short. Then number 3 is you have to dig into a pain point, okay? And the pain point could be something as simple as, hey, listen, I know how it feels to burn through thousands of dollars paying for leads that don't even answer the phone. Could be literally something as simple as that. That's their pain point. They hate that. People in my industry, for example, they hate that. They want people, of course, to answer the phone, okay? So you have to know your audience in order to call them out, hook them in, and then know exactly what keeps them up at night. That's their pain point, all right? I'm going through this quick, so pay attention, pause, write it down if you have to. Number 4, credibility. You have to introduce yourself and then show them with obviously a few words or in the sentence how credible you are. For example, hey, my name's Ivan, and for the past 3 years, I've helped over 100 roofers, solar professionals, dentists. You swap the word for whatever your industry is or whatever your perfect avatar is. And then you say, hey, and because we've delivered amazing results for our clients, I know we can deliver great results for you too. So that's literally the credibility, okay? You can have testimonials show up on the screen while you're saying this. That's pretty much how it works. Number 5, you have to offer a solution. The solution could be what? Could be a free strategy call, free training, free video, free webinar, okay? So that's your free. That's your free thing that you're gonna offer them, okay? And you could literally say, hey, I'm doing a free strategy call for a limited number of people where we're going to break down your business. Or you can say, hey, I'm doing a free training where I'm going to show you exactly how to get to point A to point B, whatever their goal is. And that's your solution. You offer them a solution. Okay. Once you've already done that, we go into point number 6, which is a call to action. I've seen time and time again, people post ads and they don't get results because they don't have a call to action. The same way you would get on a sales call and you don't forget to ask for the sale, and a lot of salespeople do actually. In this scenario, you're still selling, but you're selling through a lens. You're selling through the lens of your camera. Okay, so you have to have a call to action, and the call to action is you have to explain how simple it is and what they need to do right now in order to take action. Hey, click the link below or around this video and fill out the short form. It's gonna take you 30 seconds and you can go back to watching your video, for example, if that's on YouTube. And that's pretty much your call to action. You have to tell them, hey, it's very simple, it's only gonna take you 10 seconds, only gonna take you 30 seconds. Do it, and this is how you do it. You click the link below, you direct him basically. And last but not least, number 7, you gotta add urgency. Hey, we're only doing this for 10 more people. We might be taking this down very soon. So that's your urgency. So let's recap again everything that we went through. We have the call out. You got to call your audience so they know to turn around. If they're in a crowd of people, how do they know? Or you call them out by their name or their trade or industry. Second thing is you got to have a hook, something to hook them in. Number 3 is you got to have a pain point. You need to know your avatar really well so you know what keeps them up at night, so you can iterate what their pain point is so it makes them want to listen to you more. And then number 4, you got to give them, hey, you're listening to me, but here's why you're listening to me. Because I've already done this and I've helped other people just like you. And I've basically introduced myself and I've shown them credibility or social proof. That was number 4. And number 5, you got to offer them a solution. Okay, if it's a free strategy call, free training, free video, free webinar, you name it. Number 6 is going to be call to action. Show them how simple it is to take action right now. Click the learn more button down below or around this video. Fill out the form, schedule a call, and then we look forward to seeing you. That will be number 6. And then number 7 is urgency. You have to have urgency in an ad. Otherwise, people don't feel compelled to do anything. So you have to make people act now. You have to make people act fast. And so urgency is very, very, very important. So the whole ad doesn't need to be longer than a minute and a half, 2 minute tops. Okay, it does not have to be very long at all. So that was my 7-step formula for creating video ads. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a massive thumbs up so we boost it up in the algorithm. I love you all, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next one.